Marion School District is first class, the way they have the magnet school set up.
With the elementary schools, parents have the opportunity to choose a theme of learning that goes along with their regular learning. And then once those children move up through academics, there are so many extracurricular opportunities for those children as they move on with whatever goals they have in their personal lives.
Here at VPA, our visual and performing arts theme is ran through from bell to bell. We are always encouraging creativity in the classroom. We are creating, we're building, we're singing, we're dancing. By forcing them to use their voice and talk about what they're learning about, we're creating the type of experience where you actually remember what's going on in school.
I have a child here. He's rather a character, and he had been at the same elementary for 1st through 4th grade. And then I decided to move him here with me, and that's when we discovered that he had acting talent. We didn't know it before then. And if I hadn't moved him, I don't know that we would have discovered that he had all this ability. And so he's going to continue that as he goes to 7th grade.
We were pretty unsure at the beginning where we wanted to send our kids. We live in Horseshoe Lake. Walked into HCGC and it felt so good. The staff, the teachers, the administrative, they all wanted to be here and that they cared so much about the students.
The main thing that I love about our school is the Leader in Me program, of course. Those habits are going to help mold the child, learn how to not only be a leader for themselves, but be a leader throughout their academic success.
We are so nervous because it's another country, another language. He don't speak English at all. But he got an amazing teacher. A month later, they are bilingual. They are ready to read. They are making good grades. That is really amazing.
So STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The MST way is to pull STEM into everything that we do, including things that I teach like writing. So then they're also forming a hypothesis, making an observation, and doing all of this science in what would have been just a writing lesson.
I love the culture of hands-on, actually putting your hands to work to learn the skills that you're trying to teach.
So when we started getting interested in the magnet schools, we went to the open presentations. And as soon as Allie Weimer walked out on that stage with her white coat on, he was done. That was it. He's like, that's my school, because I am gonna be a scientist. From that point on, we have been MST strong at our house.
I love Marion School District because everyone has a place here.
I don't know another elementary in the state that's producing something almost as large as we are.
And I just see all these students, they're just thriving.
I'm trying to get emotional because it's just a magical place to work.
I wouldn't think twice about putting my child in Marion School District.